All right, here we are in week 7 as we move through our course, EDL 610, Visionary Leadership. For week 7, once again, Green and Waters at your discretion, and our culture book, chapter 7 is the reading. Assignments that are due this week, with the exception of Best School in the Universe, which is not due until October 15th. Here's your quick overview of modules 1, 2, and 3, and the assignments are due October 15th, again with the exception this time of Leadership Platform Final Draft is due on October 22nd. Let's take a look at module 1 for this week. The screencast this week is going to share with you how to create your Managing Up assignment. You're going to be creating a Managing Up video. Could be a Google presentation or any other video a tool that you wish to use that's going to talk about your collegial partner and their habits. So take a look at that screencast, a little more detail. In addition to that, notice here in step 3, there's additional written directions on how to create and post your Managing Up assignment for module 1 for this week. And again, that is due on October 15th. You will then comment on different people in the class in regards to doing a carousel walk, museum walk, if you'd like to call it that as well. So that's module 1 for this week. Module 2 is all about Best School in the Universe digital poster. So once again, the video, the screencast, give you the information you need to know on your Best School in the Universe poster. This is the culminating activity of the module 2 for our course. And I misspoke earlier when I said the museum walk was in module 1. That's not correct. It's in module 2. Module 1, going back to that, just to be clear, you're simply going to respond to your collegial partner who has created the Managing Up video for you, about you, and that's all you will comment on there. You can certainly go in and look at other students' Managing Up videos as well. But in module 2, coming back here to Best School in the Universe, that will include a museum walk. So you see that the poster itself is due on the 15th. The museum walk is due on the 22nd. And for the museum walk, you'll be commenting on 5 other posters as part of the museum walk. And it explains how to do that both in the video and the written directions right in here. As we move into module 3, you'll notice there is really no new screencast for this week because it's a continuation of putting it all together. You've got your subsections 1 through 4 completed. That then is going to allow you to create the entire leadership platform. And we call it a final draft because it's really never ever final. You're going to want to go back and update and change your leadership platform in the coming months, and perhaps even years, as you gain more information, as your sphere of influence increases, etc. So once again, as last week, here is the table of contents. This is the organization of your leadership platform, the introduction, A through E, which you worked on in the first 5 weeks, and then, of course, more recently, subsections 1 through 4. Once again, here's an example of Dr. Pumpian's leadership platform and a template if you so desire. Notice that we want you to create your leadership platform final draft as a Google Doc. You're going to put the link to that Google Doc in your Weebly. And notice in yellow here, very important, make sure that when you post your Google Doc that you set the sharing to settings to anyone with the link can access it. Otherwise, if we click on that, we wouldn't be able to access it. And again, the final leadership platform, final draft, due on October 22nd. So that's it for this week. As always, let us know how we can support you.